God was living in heaven. He did not need anything. But see, His nature is love. And love always seeks to do good to someone. So He created man to be the recipient of His blessings. Didn't have to bring us into existence, much less die for us when we sin. He did not at all have to do that. Tapos He created man knowing there's a tendency for man to annoy Him, to offend Him. Hindi nagbabago ang pag-ibig niya. Kahit tayo ay napapariwara. 1 John 3:16. This is how we know what love is. Jesus laid down His life for us voluntarily, unconditionally.